There are powerful new capabilities and benefits from HTTP3 enabling your microservices. What are they, you ask? And won't it be more work to update applications to support HTTP3? Fortunately, QuicSec makes this transition trivially simple for your applications. And in doing so, provides additional benefits around automatic mTLS-based security, together with workload identity management, as well as automatic generation of logs, metrics, and other observability signals on behalf of your applications. Let's find out more. Today, most web microservices involve API calls where your application has been written to use HTTP 1.1 or possibly even HTTP 2, perhaps with gRPC. And most applications today are designed to write vanilla unencrypted HTTP on the wire. Injecting security into these workflows involve typically plugging in external proxies, gateways, typically with associated control planes, and with the trade-off of the additional resources and significant additional cost associated with running this additional infrastructure, but also the significant complexity associated with managing and federating these control planes with a number of platform-specific dependencies. QuicSec takes a different approach. QuicSec is middleware that plugs natively into the application and upgrades the application to transparently send HTTP3 on the wire. So a web service such as the one on the right, which is listening on H1 or H2, is transparently upgraded to also listen to H3 on the wire. Likewise, any client such as the one on the left, which is sending H1 or H2 on the wire, is transparently upgraded to send H3 on the wire if available, and thereby benefiting from the better performance and other benefits of using H3. As far as HTTP3 is concerned, there are some significant new security benefits. The first being that TLS is no longer optional. TLS is now mandatory, and HTTP3 has built TLS into the quick transport protocol that it uses. So in other words, there is no more HTTP, only HTTPS. Typically, this would involve managing certificates, but QuicSec completely automates this process on behalf of the application. By leveraging identity plugins such as Cert Manager or Cert Manager CSI driver Spiffy, QuicSec enables the provisioning of short-lived workload certificates for your application. And with platforms like Cert Manager CSI driver Spiffy, these certificates typically are provisioned with attestation of the workloads, so trust is established. And these certificates also have a short lifetime, such as an hour, and these certificates are rotated hourly. All of these X509 Cert Manager management workflows are completely automated by QuicSec, so your application does not have to worry about it. Your application simply sends H1 or H2 requests as it normally did. QuicSec also allows for pluggability of authentication and authorization controls into these TLS workflows. So in other words, this can transparently inject mutual authentication and authorization of all HTTP transactions. By default, QuicSec provides simple configurations where your application's owners can simply define what peer services are allowed to talk to a given microservice. But in typical enterprise environment, it can also allow for pluggability of external policy and security engines, such as third-party web application firewalls or other policy engines, to dynamically provide higher level or more sophisticated security and governance policies. In addition to the security, QuicSec also dynamically generates logs and metrics and other observability signals on behalf of your applications to allow for troubleshooting as well as for observability. And these are enriched with the identity of workloads involved in the transaction. And these can be easily integrated with existing observability platforms used in the enterprise, with standard collectors such as OpenTelemetry and Prometheus. All in all, this enables some significant benefits to your application. First, by virtue of using HTTP3, your application now benefits from the significantly better performance, including much lower latency for your application transactions. And QuicSec completely automates all of the connection management while maintaining compatibility with existing applications. Secondly, your applications now benefit from the built-in security of HTTP3, such as mandatory TLS, and QuicSec transparently enables mutual TLS for your applications with 0 configurations, and completely transparently automates the identity management of provisioning, validation, and rotation of X509 certificates together with trust attestation, and thereby enabling automatic mutual TLS with external authentication and authorization controls and policies, including pluggable policy engines. And thirdly, enabling the improved service discovery afforded by HTTP3, allowing for automatic failover if alternate service instances are available, together with load balancing, as well as automatic metrics and logs for better observability of your applications. All in all, this eases the journey to HTTP3 for your applications. So come join us at QuicSec.io. Take a look at the GitHub repository for all of the different source code. Feel free to contribute additions, additional plugins, and other capabilities, and explore the various documents available on how QuicSec works, how it's possible to build additional plugins, and come join us in the community here. QuicSec is completely open source, and it's a brand new project, and look forward to your collaboration here. Most importantly, embrace HTTP3. That is the future. That's going to make our world collectively a lot better, simpler, more secure, less expensive, and easier to operate. So come join us.